My name is Rita Nye and I'm a Senior Consultant for Absolute Data Group. In this video I'm going to present to you how you can create shells of data modules inside R4i Writer. So what I've got inside my R4i Writer, I have my S1000D menu, which allows me to indicate what version of the specification I create content for, and you can see here that I've got all of my different versions enabled. From my home menu, I can then select my new, and from here I can then select which version of the specification I want to be able to generate a new shell, and from this I can then say, okay, I'm going to generate a descriptive v3 data module. Selecting on this, what it's going to do is it's then going to load up all of the mandatory requirements for my data module. So you can see here that it's loaded up my D module, and if we have a look we can see that it's got our two child elements of the ident and status section and our content section. And inside the ident and status section you can see that all of the mandatory information has been included. So for us to be able to start creating this, what I want to do first of all is link to our Brex, just so that we have our Brex information in there. So here's our bicycle, the standard bicycle Brex, and you can see that I have my Brex ref in here, which has just got the markup for what is required. I can simply grab this and drag and drop and point to my Brex DM ref, and it'll say, do I want to clear what's already there? And I'll say yes. And it's now inserted my Brex ref. From this point, you can now see that the tag list is ready, waiting for us to start entering content. I can then start to build my data module code as is required. So if I don't have a tool to be able to build up my data module codes from my DMRL, I can key that information into my data module code here. I can then continue down, put in my issue date, my tech name. If I wanted to add in the info name, I can then select the info name, and it's now inserted the info name. So I can then continue to work through here, adding elements as is required. If I need any extra information, I can then refer back to the requirements. And this concludes this presentation on how you can create a data module from within R4i Writer.
When you need to deliver mission-critical information, ADG's software, training and professional services will assist you to deliver on time, every time. Aerospace, defence, legal or engineering, your requirements are as unique as your organisation. We are smart content. We are ADG.